Woolas. He'd been campaigning in Oldham with Gordon Brown before those comments. I asked him whether the strategy for the PM to meet real voters had backfired.
Well, it obviously wasn't the best point in our campaign, but I think his apology is very sincere. I know him to be somebody who is genuinely upset if he unintentionally hurts people. He has had a very good day up until that point. The meetings he had in my constituency in the morning were very good and strong support for him, and there are signs of our support in Labour areas boosting as the polls tomorrow show. So this is very unfortunate, but I think the Prime Minister's apology is sincere. He's distraught by it.
Well, you touched on that there. He was with you this morning in Oldham, your own constituency, an ethnically diverse area. How damaging are these types of comments when immigration is obviously a big concern of people?
Well, our frustration is that our success, and there has been success on the immigration policy in the numbers coming down, the points-based system is working, we haven't been able to successfully get all of that message over. So if there is a silver cloud in this a silver lining in this cloud for us, it is that we've got a platform for that. But listen, immigration is a big issue on the doorstep. We know that. We've been addressing it. The Prime Minister has made 2 important speeches on it. And of course, as a constituency MP, he absolutely gets it. So his apology is absolutely sincere.
Well, it is a big issue on the doorsteps, but there is this feeling that no politician wants to speak about it. And when they do speak about immigration, it's from within, outside the EU, when a lot of people are concerned, as is Mrs Duffy, about immigration from Eastern Europe and within Europe.
I don't accept that at all. I think that seems to be a conventional wisdom amongst commentators. It's not true, is it? We've had huge discussions about immigration, the row over the Lindsay oil refinery, the credit that Labour was given when we introduced the points-based system. Gordon Brown, as new Prime Minister, shifted the policy. And to be fair to the other parties, they've talked about immigration. Part of our strategy has been to say we should talk about it, to separate it off from the issue of race and talk about a managed migration policy is a good thing to do, and there's support for that across the communities, and I think that Labour will benefit from that.
Phil Woolas there. Now, just a reminder that the third and final Prime Ministerial debate will take place later today, hosted by the BBC. Preparations are underway at Birmingham University, where Gordon Brown, David Cameron and Nick Clegg will face questions about the economy and their spending plans. That's the Prime Ministerial debate.